adding wiring details to your project. Open your project or a blank project from the Start window. From the Project tab, select one of the design sheets under Pages. This is where you would like to add details to. Under Print in top ribbon, go to Project section and find Details. Click on Details and you will see a window pop up. Under Filter, start typing the device part number you would like to add details for. Click on the device of your choice, and click Place. To snap it in place, left-click on your mouse. To add a detail of your own, you can do so by clicking on Details, click Add, click Detail. Navigate to the folder where your detail in DWG format is saved, click on the file, click Open, and you should see it added to the list of user details. While there you can rename, and then save it for future use. That's all for this video. Make sure to check out all our visual controls tutorial videos available. Thank you for watching.